Guys, I am so excited. Like when I get these things in the mail, when I get this in the mail, stuff from Influenster, it just warms my heart. I get so excited. Today's video, guys, is going to be a unboxing of the Influenster package that I got in the mail a couple of days ago. Just hadn't had a chance to sit down and film it. I have looked inside to see what it is in here. It's a bunch of different things, and I'm super excited. Like some of the stuff, it was a bunch of random different things that they sent me, and stuff that I've never heard of, stuff I've never tried, stuff that I think I have tried, but yeah, this will be my third Influencer box. If you guys don't know what Influencer is, I will leave the video link down below where I explain what it is, so you guys can check that out. And I'll also leave my other Influencer unboxing video links down below also. But I was so excited to know that I was getting another Influencer box because struggle is real, guys, and I just was so happy. Anytime I get something, I'm so happy, you know. Yeah. So, and I'll also leave my Influencer referral link down below in case you guys want to sign up. It's free. You don't have to have a YouTube channel. You don't have to have like a whole bunch of social medias to get stuff. I mean, it helps if you do, but like all the different like I go over pretty much everything in that video, and if you guys have any questions, you can just ask them in the comments below and I'll probably respond back to them. So yeah. Oh, and I got a new coffee mug. Shout out to Curtis and Rebecca because they went to Mexico, or somewhere in Mexico, Cancun area-ish, Riviera Maya, Mexico, I guess that's where they went, and they brought me back a coffee mug, and I was so happy. Coffee mugs, like I drink coffee just about every day, even though I only end up drinking like half a cup, still it's whatever, but I think coffee mugs are so cute, and you know, I collect them. I don't have a lot yet, but it's just something that I collect. Alright, so let's get into this box, because that's what you came for, right? Alright, the box says, be loud, be proud, be an influencer. You hear that, guys? Be an influencer. Alright, so there's a lot of stuff in here. I didn't expect to get this much random stuff, but the theme of this box is vacay box. And that's what they call them. They call them boxes. And it has like all the different products and how much their retail value is on there. So I decided to put that in there, which I thought was really cool. There's a Target coupon in here, a free 7.2 ounce bag of Sour Patch Kids Fire or Freeze candy. So that's a coupon that they gave me, which they also do send you coupons and stuff. And the point of that is just to let you like get the product and review the product, and then that's basically how the whole Influencer thing works. It's like a marketing tool, you know? Next thing in here is Eva NYC is $3 off any one Eva NYC hair care product, which Eva NYC is sold at Ulta, CVS Pharmacy, Riley Rose, Anthropology, Face Values, I'll probably more likely get it at Ulta or CVS. Probably at Ulta because I have a coupon for there already. So, but yeah. So that is that. And then there's also a Eva NYC Clean It Up shampoo in here that looks like this. It has with cannabis protein and argan oil, and I think this is I don't know. I don't know if this is a sample size or an ultra like one of those like the bigger sample size ones, but it also says that it's available at Ulta, Sally Beauty, Target, and Riley Rose. So that is where this is from, and that's what this is. It smells wonderful. So I'm about out of shampoo, so this came at the perfect time for me to use this, and if I decide that I like it, I'll get it. Then there was a Sour Patch Fire and Freeze like little card slot thing that you tape to the back of your phone, and you slide your cards in there and stuff. I might give that to my friend because she more so uses these type of things than I do, so I may just give this to her. The next thing in here is the Invisibobble, the traceless hair rings, and basically you can just put like your hair in like ponytails with these things. It's kind of like a hair bow. It stretches, kind of like a scrunchie. I guess you could do other things with it. Let's see what the card says. It says, it's time to say bye-bye to annoying knots and trousel braids. The hair ring has a strong grip, great wearing comfort, and can easily be removed from hair. So unlike what I'm wearing right now, which is a hair bow, you would wear this and it would be a lot easier. So I will test that out and let you guys know on my Instagram how these products perform and stuff. So if you're not already, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. The thumb handle will be right here. And yeah, so, and that's also where I post discount codes for you all when I get other stuff in the mail. As soon as I get discount codes, I post them up there for you all because I like to save people money. The next thing in here is also from Eva NYC, is the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. It's for all hair types, and this is detangles, reduces frizz, helps strengthen, softens, cuts dry in time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. So what more perfect time for this to come than the summer? So that's two Eva NYC like sample-y size products that I've gotten, and I'm super excited because I don't ever buy hair care products. It's very rare that I do. And the next thing in here and the last thing in here, which I was totally excited about this, like I was like, yes, lashes, I need lashes, because like I don't wear them like all that, and I want to practice and try to start learning how to wear them so that when I'm filming I can wear them because they just look pretty. So this is the Kiss Ballant Lash. They're new. They're called Page Boy, and they are full, bouncy, volume, and curl. And they're the next gen wispy, and that's what they look like. I think they're gorgeous, and the band is clear, it's thin, so it's going to be easy. It doesn't come with, let's see what it comes with. Oh, it actually comes with the glue. Oh snap. Strip eyelash adhesive. Is this clear or? I have glue, but I don't know if this is clear or not. But that's really awesome. I think this isn't clear. Yeah, it's white. But that's okay. We will practice. But that was pretty dope that it came. I'm totally putting these in wrong. I'm putting them in upside down. That's okay. Hope they sold packaging like this. So yeah, that was everything in this Influenster box. I'm so excited that I got it. So thank you, Influenster, for sending me those wonderful products, and I can't wait to try them and everything. All my opinions will be like, you'll hear about them either in a favorites video or like fails video or on my Instagram, something like that. So if you guys do like these type of videos, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell beside it, because they're best friends, and then you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and you'll just know in case you want to see like a future Influencer video or something like that. So yeah, alright, thanks for watching this video, guys. I don't want to make this any longer than what it is, probably. It's probably really long because most of all my videos are. So, yeah, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I wonder what this smells like. Oh, it smells so good. I don't even think I got any on my hair. Oh, but it smells so good.